stop sharing that. Do we have any more questions?
Okay, what we got here, okay, is that mean 300? Or is it, no, is it 0.7 and the standard deviation is what we got?
The mean here is 0.07, right? And
Yeah.
the standard deviation is 0.0147.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Is I think it's binomial. Okay. On D, how do we just say, do we divide 27 divided by 300? Or no?
No, it's more complicated than that. What we're going to do is we're going to use this normal distribution, but we're going to let salt get us more accurate answers, because we'll be able to tell what percentage of any particular typical situation could be. So let me just show you the question and then where the answers came from.
Okay.
Okay. So in this particular town, what's the probability that they'd come up 27 members or more? Right. So this towing service in town contracts with the club to come to the aid of up to 27 members. Okay, so they're a towing company that says, I mean, I guess the way this process works, if you're in AAA, that AAA hire or contract with towing companies, and they say to this towing company, here is a contract, whatever you want to call it, that you sign, and you promise that when we phone you up and say Joe Smith broke down, you'll come and tow him. And he says, well, I can do that, but I'm not going to just work for you. I've got my own people I want to work for as well. So you make a little deal, and the deal is 27 people, right? That's the most, that's all I'm contracted to do. If you phone me up and it's a 28th person, I can say to you, I'm not doing it and I haven't broken my contract and you can't sue me. So what we're looking for here is quite awkward probability. We're trying to find a probability that the number of breakdowns is, okay, let me read that. What proportion is that of the 300 members? So the first part of B is in fact exactly what you did say, right? So that's 27 out of 300. And that does end up being 0.09. So that's totally good. But the second one is using salt. What is the approximate probability of it really happening? And the chances that you get X greater than 27 members, right? Let me show you where that is hiding. We'll go to salt. And I'll use a normal distribution. And I'll put in the mean, which is 0.07.
Okay.
And a standard deviation, which is 0.0147. We got them from earlier part of this question. And I would like to know right-tailed, right, bigger than. And I'd like to know what's the chance that it's bigger than 9%. That's 90. Bigger than 9%. And the answer is here. That little bit in there. And so the answer that it's greater than 27 is, well, I'm saying 27, but I should say greater than 9%. 9% is 27, but I should stick to the numbers I'm using. So 0.8683. If we go back here. And that guy's became 0.0873. Okay.
Okay.
Taking a little bit of rounding off there, but never mind.